I heard you calling from the start. A river runs through both our hearts. 1,000 shades of something new. I cannot wait to play for you. So play your songs and make them real. There's a place for all we feel, and it's closer than it seems. Come and find your land of dreams. Land of dreams, land of dreams. Come and find your land of dreams. And it's closer than it seems. Come and find your land of dreams. The world is smaller.
Okay, we're a couple minutes in. Somebody's whining and crying. What do you have on, Cam?
I think I got a halibut.
Yeah, so make sure you lay that down so it doesn't knock anybody.
Like to swivel it, what do we do?
No, push the bottom thing. Yeah, you could.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah, just lay the rod down on the ground though, Gord, just so that. So what's it like bringing it up, Cam?
It's awesome. Something took my freaking fish off.
Yeah.
I thought I felt a bite there.
Okay, well, we're a minute in here. It's a Nook Conehead. Rennell Reef. This is Cam's biggest halibut ever that he has on. So, we'll come back. Big fish, buddy. Come back. Okay, so what we're doing now is we got a big halibut. Can you see the halibut, Gord? You stand up and just take some video of it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe too big.
Fuck!
Just run your hand through the, like this.
Oh, through the strap. So
Through
you
the
don't-
strap, just so we don't. I'm almost positive.
Where are you? There you are.
Okay, let's swing them alongside.
Fuck, that's a big fish.
That is a huge fish.
Ooh,
That is
yeah.
the biggest fucking halibut I have ever seen.
What's that, Kyle?
That is the biggest halibut I have ever seen. That is a monster.
Oh, look at him.
That is a fucking monster. That is an absolute whale.
Don't do it!
That's way too much.
Oh, look at that.
That's well over. Say goodbye, fishy.
See you later, buddy. See you next year.
Gord,
yeah!
straight down. Way to go, buddy.
Get back.
What are you doing, Cam?
I'm reeling in a fish.
Gord, what are you doing? So we got a double header of some good springs here. I'm just going to sit back and see what unfolds. Hey Bird, did halibut fight?
What's that big smile on your face, Bird?
I think this is definitely a comeback.
What kind of whales were you showing us on this whale watching tour, Kyle?
Sure.
You're not sure?
It's a whale. It's a whale. I'm sure that it is a whale. The species of whale, I have no idea. I know that it's not a killer whale.
You're not up on your whale species?
I am not up on my whale species.
What kind of guy are you?
Horrible one.
Obviously, because
But
you take people out on whale watching tours and you don't know your whales?
you know the funny part? That's my first whale. Like first, other than a killer whale. So you're lucky clientele. Cool, guys. That's a bigger one.
Yeah. That's a bull.
We're into the fish here now. As you can see, Cameron's really into it. It's really windy out. There's camp over there.
Should I let him run really tight?
Well, yeah, we don't hold him back. Let him go. Okay, I guess I'll fight that. Now, we'll videotape Cam taking that off his hook.
Fuck God.
Good morning, Cameron. We're out on Rennell again. We're hammering.
Having a great day. Caught a whole bunch of red snapper. We found one cod. And then I just got this treasure. We need it for bait.
Another octopus. Look at that thing. Now, you know what the funny part's going to be?
Cam getting in the boat.
Cam getting it in the boat. They have a big beak. They are not fun to kill. So it bit his line, actually. Cool. Okay, we gotta get this in.
I heard you calling from the start. A river runs through both our hearts. 1,000 shades of something new. I cannot wait to play for you.